Good Tuesday, everyone, and welcome to fall. This is Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith on this chilly start to autumn 2014 on the 23rd of September. Clear skies over the forecast region this morning. We have temperatures in the upper 30s over interior sections of New Jersey and the Hudson Valley region into interior Connecticut. Temperatures in the low 40s everywhere else, and temperatures are right around 50 degrees in the Newark, New York City metropolitan area and out on Long Island. Temperatures are in the mid 40s across southeastern Pennsylvania. Even Philadelphia at this hour is at 53, where outlying suburbs are remaining in the 40s this morning, and the dew points are dry. It's a chilly morning out there, and welcome in fall as we did last night at 10:30. Visible pass of the satellite imagery this morning shows nothing but clear skies over the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area this morning, also into Philadelphia and extending up into the Hudson River Valley region and interior Connecticut. Water vapor imagery showing lots of dry air in place, but there is a disturbance here developing off the Carolina coast, and this will be shunted up in our direction with more clouds by Wednesday and Wednesday night, even perhaps some rain too, central and southern portions, but let's not get ahead of ourselves and enjoy this beautiful day here. We have absolutely no precipitation on the radar this morning, and we're not expecting any today as high pressure remains in control. Air, land, and sea advisories this morning. We just have a couple of small craft advisories which will be in effect for the coastal waters of New Jersey and parts of Long Island Sound all the way out to the tip of Massachusetts here, if we can get this to come up. Small craft advisories are in effect from early Wednesday morning to Thursday morning in New Jersey here for the coastal waters. For east winds at 10 to 20 knots, gust up to 30 knots, seas building to 5 to 8 feet. This will be for Wednesday into Wednesday night, and it may need to be extended into Thursday as that disturbance strengthens off the mid-Atlantic coast states during tomorrow. Also for Long Island, we have a special weather statement. Small craft advisories have been canceled for these waters today, but they'll be probably reintroduced again across this region during tomorrow. Everything's looking good on the VFR deck today, on the aviational weather deck today, I should say. VFR conditions are in place. We're expecting this to continue as high pressure continues to build over the forecast region during today. Winds will be mostly from the northwest to the north to start out, and then become northeast later today, and then east later tonight as the high slides off the coast. Wind speeds generally fairly light, less than 10 knots across the region. Now for Wednesday and Thursday, MVFR ceilings are possible over much of the region as the low passes just east of the region during tomorrow night into Thursday morning. And we're expecting this to have some impacts around Millville and Atlantic City, where they may see some IFR conditions at times. Allentown and Reading in central Pennsylvania likely only see MVFR conditions for a portion of this period, with breaks of VFR conditions as well. Occasional MVFR visibilities with some light rain is also possible. Then we return to mostly VFR conditions for Friday and Saturday. Right now outside of Newark, it's beautiful. It's 51, dew point 40, humidity 65%. The wind is light out of the northwest at 3. A few jet stream clouds at 25,000 feet. Visibility is better than 10 miles. And looking at a VFR flying day today. Beautiful. Philadelphia 53, dew point 40, humidity 61%. The wind is variable at 5. Visibility 10 miles. Clear skies. VFR conditions in place. Chilly morning start to the New Jersey metropolitan area. We had some temperatures right around freezing in Walpack and Sussex County. Other temperatures here, 39 degrees at Hackettstown this morning. Pequest coming in Warren County at 35, 38 degrees in Hope, New Jersey. These were some low temperatures this morning. Also in Basking Ridge at 36, one of the cooler spots as well. We have temperatures inland in Monmouth or Ocean County at 36 at Berkeley Township. Also temperatures around Oswego Lake at 39 this morning. And the latest pollen forecast from pollen.com. We're in the low to the medium side today, Wednesday on the low side, Thursday with rain, Friday on the low side, and back to low to medium on Saturday again. Once again, it's ragweed and sagebrush, the predominant pollens broadcasting. And the latest illness is being tracked from GermTracks, tracking the spread of sickness and disease at germtracks.com across the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metropolitan area. This morning, we're waking up with several people reporting upper respiratory problems and or sinus infections this morning. And the tropical Atlantic, the Caribbean, the Gulf, no tropical cyclones expected during the next 5 days. Morning surface chart from weatherroanoke.com and digital atmosphere software shows the high pressure ridge centered right over Ohio, extending and cresting into Illinois, the central plains, and all the way to the mid-Atlantic coast states today with absolutely clear skies, beautiful weather conditions. We have this disturbance along the old frontal boundary to the south here, and this will be a problem as we get into Wednesday night and early Thursday morning, beginning with clouds increasing over the forecast region tomorrow morning. NamWRF composite reflectivity forecast from Penn State's eWall site. You couldn't ask for a better start to your autumn with chilly temperatures in the morning and seasonable temperatures or slightly below seasonal temperatures in the afternoon. Just absolutely gorgeous day. Maybe just some cirrus clouds around the region. Other areas will see mostly sunny skies today and temperatures getting into the upper 60s and low 70s across the region. The only caveat would be the onshore areas of the coastal beaches from Monmouth down to Atlantic City, right along the immediate barrier islands there where the winds veering off and to the northeast and eventually east will have a tendency to cool the immediate coastline, but everybody else should be just sublime during today. And we're expecting the clouds to increase slightly late tonight into tomorrow morning. And basically, we're looking for a disturbance here off the Carolina coast, off the old frontal boundary to drift further to the north. The winds will be coming in from off the ocean during tomorrow, so clouds will be increasing during the morning hours. And as a result of that, especially on Wednesday night and Thursday morning, with the NAM model showing some moderate rain across central and southern New Jersey, parts of the Delmarva region, some of the lighter rains getting up through central and northern New Jersey. Some areas getting some rain, other areas not getting it. It won't be a lot of rain, but as this disturbance pushes further to the north, the rain will spread into New York City, the lower Hudson Valley, Connecticut, and Long Island during the day on Thursday afternoon as the disturbance begins to pull away during Thursday night. Since this is the first official day of autumn, the surf zone forecast has been discontinued for the rest of the season. If you're going to the beaches, the forecast will be on your own and not done here. Anyway, this is the latest GFS modeling, and it shows high pressure right over the region during today, tonight, and tomorrow morning. And clouds will begin to increase with the northern reaches of this precipitation shield. A weak system getting off the Virginia coast and the North Carolina coast on Wednesday night and early Thursday morning will tend to drift right over the Delmarva Peninsula. Some light to moderate rain. The GFS is a little bit more aggressive than the NAM model this morning, and that light to moderate rain on easterly winds will make for a raw day during Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, and Thursday morning as the precipitation shield spreads to the north and east and eventually begins to slacken off on the western side as the system continues to drift off the northern New Jersey and southeastern Long Island coastal waters during the day on Thursday night and Friday, with clearing skies as high pressure builds in over the forecast region once again. Modifying temperatures too over the weekend. Temperatures getting back into the low to mid 70s, approaching the mid and upper 70s as the air mass begins to modify right over the forecast region. And this would be for Saturday and Sunday and Monday. And right now we're really expecting nothing really in the way of weather to occur here until probably later Monday night or early Tuesday morning as a weak cold front tries to make its way through the region. Also slices off the northern New England coast, and another disturbance developing off the Carolina coast spreads its shield of precipitation on a northeast to east wind. The clouds begin to increase during the day on Tuesday, and precipitation begins to break out once again as that system heads out into the Atlantic coastal waters, and a raw northeast to east wind keeps the atmosphere quite chilly with periods of rain around the region late Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Wanted to take a look at the 8 to 10 day mean 500 millibar pattern from the European model, the GFS, and the Canadian model as well over the period probably ending around the third day of October 2014. We still have basically a positive PNA signature or a positive NAO signature as well across the region. We basically see our trough here of low pressure south of the Aleutian Islands ridging over the top here across northwestern Canada into portions of extreme northwestern United States, troughiness through the Central Plains, and more ridging here extending down through southeastern Canada. That means our weather is going to be kind of quiet with weak disturbances pushing through the region and generally fair weather and benign weather through most of the rest of this month, but that's when things are probably going to turn a little bit interesting as we head towards the middle part of October. So happy fall, y'all. Get out there and enjoy this beautiful fine day. For Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. I'll be back in video form tomorrow morning on Wednesday. Enjoy your day.